everyone, I am Jonbenette Domingo from STEM 12 St. Philomena, and today I am going to present my cell factory. Let's begin with the cell wall. Cell wall is the wall of the factory because it is made up of cellulose, which provides support and protection from injury cellulose. Just like the wall of the factory, it protects and supports the inside of the cell and in order to keep the cell factory strong. Next is the cell membrane. Cell membrane is the exit and entrance door because it surrounds and protects the cell and selectively screens the kinds of substances that can go in and out of the cell. Just like the exit and entrance door, it surrounds and protects the whole factory that only the workers and staffs can go in and out of the cell factory. Next is the nucleus. Nucleus is the factory manager because it is the center of the cell which stores cells' hereditary and controls cellular activities like growth metabolism, protein synthesis, and reproduction. Just like the factory manager, they supervise factory workers, controls the factory, determine what products will be made, and they ensure that the factory operations run smoothly. Next is the chromosome. Chromosome is the assistant factory manager because it is composed of DNA, RNA, nucleic acid that help in the overall functioning of the cell for growth, reproduction, and survival. Just like the assistant factory manager, they help the factory manager on planning and keeping the production on track. Next is the mitochondria. Mitochondria is the power station because it is the site of cellular respiration and production of ATP energy. Just like the power station, the factory needs electric power to operate the machines inside the cell factory. Next is the Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies is the packagers in the packaging department because it consists of stocks, packing proteins, and fats distributed to other parts of the cell. Just like the packagers, they pack the products or the materials needed before transporting the products. Next is the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a delivery driver because it is a network that transports the materials needed by the cell. Just like the delivery driver, it needs to transport the materials or the product to their destination. Next is the lysosome. Lysosome is the maintenance machine because it is a process in degrading and recycling cellular waste. Just like the maintenance machine, it is responsible for recycling the products that it is still okay to use and degrading the waste that is harmful and poisonous for the product. Next is the vacuole. Vacuole is the hazardous waste disposal because it is a membrane and closed sac for storing essential materials while disposing poisonous or harmful waste inside the cell. Just like the hazardous waste disposal, it vacuums the poisonous or harmful waste that can affect the product and dispose it in hazardous waste disposal. Next is the ribosomes. Ribosomes is the factory worker because it is involved in production of proteins, a process called protein synthesis. Just like the factory worker, they are involved in building or making a product, which the products are the protein, and that is produced by the ribosomes or the factory workers. And that is the cell factory.